Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a feature of Instagram that very few people seem to know about. It's called the activity status. What is activity status? When your activity status on Instagram is turned on, other people can see when you're active on the app. When you're not active on the app, other people can see when you were last online. If you don't want people to know this information, you will need to ensure that the activity status toggle is turned off. I'm going to show you how to find it and do just that. How to turn your activity status on Instagram off. To start with, head to your Instagram profile, and then hit the three-lined menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll want to select the very first option, Settings. The next option you'll want is Privacy. Towards the bottom of this screen is an option called Activity Status. That's what you'll want to tap on next. As you can see, my activity status is turned off. My followers and other people cannot see when I'm online, and I cannot see when they are online either. If you wanted to turn the activity status on, the toggle switch would turn blue. You would be able to see when everyone else was active online or last active, providing they have activity status turned on, and they will be able to see when you're online or last active too. And that's that. You have successfully learned how to turn your activity status on Instagram on and off. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.